I use a tail comb to part the down part of my hair, then take one section, divide it into three, then swap it with each other. You keep swapping with each other from the roots. As you can see, when you swap one into another, you take the next one, swap it into the one you swapped before, then you take the last one and swap into the one you swapped currently. Then you keep on doing it like that. You swap it. As you're doing it, your brain already tell you how it's going to be. So you swap it into each other one by one, turn by turn. The first will swap into the second, then the third will swap into the first or whatever. Yeah. So as you can see, the first one, you swap the second into the first one, and swap the third into the second one. You understand how it goes? So as you can see it in the video, it's well detailed. You just keep on doing it and be going till the end. So it's very, very easy to do, and it's a protective style. This hair I've actually grew my length if with mini twist too helped with my hair growth. So this is it. I've already done 3. It is very easy, as you can see, and it's actually fun to do. It's not really straight, but at least it's manageable. So I'm just going to pack my hair to make it easier for me to make. So here I lost one clip of my video. I mistakenly deleted it. This was the first one I did. Not really well detailed like the first one because it was faster. So mini braids are good protective styles that lock in moisture and retains length, because you're not going to manipulate your hair till a period of time. You can carry it a week, 2 weeks, 1 month, as much as you want, and you can wash it too without loosening it. So most times I carry my protective style for like 1 week or going to 2 weeks. Yeah. So I'm going to swap it. Keep on swapping. Yeah, it's swapping or swapping, anyone. So next is so when you pass into 3, remember, the first will go into the middle, the second will go to the first, the third will go to the second, then you swapping it each other. So at the tip of the hair, you can twist it. And while I was making my hair, remember to make sure your hair is well moisturized, and you apply your conditioner, your leave-in conditioner. Yeah, it's very important. So here I wanted to try doing it with brush. So this one I'm just going to try doing it with brush and see how it goes. Yeah, it's actually coming out. The brush is coming out. So you're just going to do it the same way I said it, swapping into each other, exchanging. This one is exchange mode. So you keep on doing it turn by turn, and then start forming, as you can see. So, and mini braids, to be honest, mini braids retains length because you're not manipulating it, and it's it doesn't drag your hair, drag your roots, drag your scalp. It's just the best protective style to do. So this is the ones I've done. These are the ones I've done so far. So I kept on parting my hair. Oh, this really took long. Especially if you're doing it by yourself. I think this took me like 2 hours or like 2 hours, and yeah. And the power was just misbehaving. In Nigeria, you know, they were just switching, bringing out light, taking it and stuff. So this is the last section of my hair, and yeah, I was done here already. Braid is a good protective style because it minimizes the split ends and unwanted breakage. So this was the result. See me trying to style it, but then okay, I was just looking for what I would do, and this is just it. It's very easy to do. You can add beads if you want, or any hair accessories to bring out the beauty. But here I was already tired, so I didn't have the energy to do all those. You can pack it any style you wish, and this was just it. A very simple tutorial, and very easy to go and easy to learn. And that's all. Thanks for watching.